Okay, everybody, looking at this IOTA. Okay. Today is Friday, December 4th. Today is Friday, December 4th. And this is how to place a trade using Binance. 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 B-I-N-A-N-C-E. Oh wow. Okay, anyway, enough of that. I just wanted to show you guys a neat little tool I just learned about. Anyways, let's get over here. Look at what's going on. 262 IOTA. Yeah, you're going down. It's going down. This still hasn't turned the color I wanted to. And then my decred is going up at 57. Still green, still green. Bitcoin is at 11,540. And as you can see, I was having trouble earlier with my Exodus wallet, but I have now reached success, and I've actually was able to successfully transfer the funds over to Binance. Check out my my previous video on Cardano coin discovery, how to place a trade on what's that name of that exchange that I had to? Oh yeah, Bitrex here in Vegas. How could I ever forget? Now this has actually confirmed. They sent me an email. Binance is, the neat thing about Binance's customer service, they actually send you an email when your confirmation reaches 6 confirmations and your deposit confirms. They'll send you an email. It's really cool. So now what I need to do is deposit history. I just wanted to show you guys this. Confirmation is in there, complete. I sent that. That's about $75. 0.73 Litecoins, and what we're going to do is well, I did 28 Litecoins on this day. When was this? The 18th of okay. I'm just about 30 Litecoin. Oh yeah, I made 30 Litecoins out of 28 that day. Yeah, on the 18th. I remember that. Okay. Anyways, let's get back into the program here. Now, what you want to do is once you get an account going, you can go to funds and see your deposit history and all that good stuff. They give you, the good neat thing about Binance is that they actually give you your running total of all your cryptocurrencies in their exchange under your account, and then they estimate the value in BTC and USD for you, which is neat. I wish more exchanges did that, but anyways. Let's get over here to, now in order to get to the exchange, I had messed around with this for a while, just to figure out how do I get, so a lot of they got a basic one, which you're not going to want to use. Don't use this one. They got a cool one right here under advanced. And that's a cool one right there, okay? And this is ENJ, and it's up. I bought it at 2 cents. It's up 1 cent. That's cool. I'll just let that sit there. That got 3,000 of those. What you want to do though is find your coin, which is what I need to do. Okay, which is underneath the search bar, and we put IOTA. Okay, and then it should pop up. I'm gonna star under my favorites. That way when I go to my favorites, I'll just see it up here. Delete that. IOTA's up 46%. I wish I would have got in on that yesterday when it was $1. No, it was what 50 cents less. It was about like what, $1.90. I don't know what it was yesterday. Let's go look at it. Let's see what was it. That's what we got charts for. Charts this action. This price action will be charted. Let's go to 1 day ago. Boom, boom. It was down here at the end of the day. It was 000163. I need to pull my calculator up. I got a better one. Cardano. Currency converter. Here we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, here we go. Now, what was this value here? 00. No, no, it's right here. 00016. 0.0001636. It was $1.88 yesterday. I don't know. Rewind it. Tell me if I called it right. $1.88. All right. Right now it's 000243 and rising 243 05. Dang, it was just at the 60 level, man. I wish I was there. It tells us right here 279. It's going up so fast. Where is this volume coming from? I wanted to get it at 260. Let's go down. Let's go check out the 15-minute chart, shall we? Look at that. I think it's in a downtrend. It's hard to take a buy order on. Look, 277. Remember what I said earlier. I'm in here now. So what I got to do is take my Litecoin and trade it for Bitcoin, I believe. Unless I can buy IOTA with Litecoin. I doubt it. Let's go right here. IOTA, Bitcoin. Let's go to Litecoin, Bitcoin. Trade my Bitcoin for Litecoin. And then I'll buy some IOTA with the Bitcoin. All right. You're going to want to watch this. This is Binance. And then here we go. 100% of my Litecoin. So I click 100%. And what's going to happen is open orders, order history, trade history. It's funny, huh? I want to see. Here they go right here. Here are all the trade histories right here, and here go the trade history is basically trades that actually just recently took place, actually booked and executed. And then here are the orders. People are wishing to buy and wishing to sell. Okay, they're wishing to sell for these prices, and these are wishing to buy for these prices. Okay, and they got orders. Now I'm going to be buying Bitcoin, so, or am I selling Litecoin? I'm selling Litecoin, so these are actually Litecoins that they're trying to sell. He has 3.84 Litecoins, and so I got 0.76. So if I put it here, somebody wants to buy it from me. That's cool. So what I'll do is I click that. You notice the number should pop up over here. Here it is. Boom. 8920. If I click that, 8924 pops up. If I click here, but I can just give it to him right here. He already has an order. If I just submit that for that, I'll instantly get filled. But the best price is right here. But I want to get instantly filled, so I'll click his number, hit 100% again, and then I should get Bitcoin. Now my Bitcoin balance is right here. I hate that they leave these pieces. That's one thing I don't like about Binance. They always seem to leave some sort of pieces of Litecoin left over. It's like they try to get you. You know, how much Litecoin is that? And this is stopping me from trading. You know what I mean? Like, why do you? That's why. But this is the only place that has IOTA that I want to trade at. I don't want to go to Bitfinex. So I have to, you know, I have to take it in I gotta really take it. You know what I mean? Just take it. I don't even want to say how I'm taking it, but damn, I'm taking it. All right, check it out. Where's my calculator? Here it is. All right, let's go to Litecoin. Let's calculate this Litecoin. All right, paste, paste. 9 cents, not bad. That's what I left on there. All right, that's not bad. All right, so how much Bitcoin is that right here? Let's check that out. How much did I actually trade it for? Trade history. Boom. Sold Litecoin. The fee was this in Bitcoin. That's interesting, right? You want to know what the fee is. Let's calculate the fee first. I just want to know. And I'm recording this so you guys can know. That fee is basically 0.00005 USD. All right, I don't, that's a change out of change. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Now, I was for $75. I was a $75 exchange. Now, what did I actually exchange it for? Let's look at the BTC balance. Calculate that to USD. Convert that to USD. Oops, this is Litecoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Socket is connected. Okay. Paste. That's $75. Great. I actually made money. All right. I made like $1. I made like 77 cents, I think. Something like that. All right. Anyway. Who cares? All right. Now I can take this and now I can go over here and go to my favorites and find my IOTA pair. It's already at 284. I missed my buy mark, which is down here at 260. Trying to trade, trying to exchange it. So I'm just wait. I'm not gonna get it right now because I want to get it for a good price. I think I'm gonna put a buy order in like down here somewhere, so I don't have to worry about it. But I'm gonna use TradingView to figure that out, and it's simple enough, right? Move this out the way, and then we're gonna. Here's IOTA already pulled up for us to take a look at. Ooh, look at that, 58. Let me check my portfolio. Oh yeah, my portfolio. The portfolio side is down. It's already at 58.20. I am in profit. Look at that. That's on a 30 bar, 30 bar, 30. Every 30 minutes, this thing's been going up, climbing. Great. I hope it doesn't just drop all the way now with all these sellers. Look, this is climbing too. This is a day chart, so I'm gonna take the IOTA into 15-minute. And as you can see, we've been going down. I wanted to buy down here at $2.55. Couldn't get my funds onto Binance's exchange quick enough. I hope it comes back down some more. It looks like on the 15-minute that it's going to be. Nope, it could be going back down some. So what I'll do is look, it's going down right there. It could be going down some more. What's good about looking at Binance is I can actually see the orders now, the actual orders on the book, which are right here, and side by side. I use TradingView because I have my technical analysis tools. Okay, I definitely would not recommend trading with these tools right here. Okay, I put these up here. These are mine. The RSIs right here. The moving averages right here, 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average, and I like to look at the order. Like they're buying like what's going on right here? Look, this is flipping around. See, now it's 3, then it's 5, then it's, I don't know. Let's look at what's happening now. What's actually being traded? A lot of sell orders are being traded right here. As you can see, there's a lot of red, and that's what you really want to look at. Because sometimes this can be misleading. Looking at the actual order book, these orders can go from like you just saw 5,000. Did 5,000 get executed? About 5,000 sales got executed. They bought 5,000. They didn't sell 5,000. Look, he's buying 5,000 right there. 5,000 right there was bought at 3 o'clock. That's 15:24. You see what time it is? It's 3:25. They're selling. He's buying 3,000. He's buying 3,000. This thing is going to go up. If they keep buying large numbers like that, it's going up. It's going higher. And I'm looking at the RSI though, the time my entry. Now that I got my my funds on here, so if I can sell IOTA, no, I want to buy IOTA. So I hit 100%. Figure out where I want to buy at though. I mean, right here, like at 246. Oh yeah.
do you guys want to learn anything about what I'm using to place my orders and figure out where to buy my orders at? If you don't, I mean, you probably don't. But yeah, it'd be nice if I could just buy right here at 169. That's what it's telling me, and it's telling me to sell right here at 323. This is what we call a volume VWAP, volume weighted average. And then what you see here is I got it on a VWAP on the standard deviation bands. All right, so this is a standard deviation from the volume weighted price average or volume weighted moving average. All right, it's my own indicator. Don't worry, be happy. Okay. Y'all know how to code. I do code, so a lot of people might not know that. I just want you to know, you guys know I do code. Looking at this though, let me see, this RSI tells it all. It could be going down to this 30 mark line from here, and that's what I'm kind of, but if it goes up past this point right here, it's probably going to go back up from this point on. And if I'm looking at these buy orders, there's a lot of buy orders getting entered. There's some sell orders. Here's a $1,000 sell order. Here's a $3,000 buy order. But look, sell, 4,000 sell, 1,000, 1,500 sell, 4,000. It's hard to keep track of this stuff. You gotta do it fast. Like, okay, red, 1, 4, 1, 1. That's 8,000. 9,000. I should say 10,000 sell orders. Now let's look at the buy orders. 38, 100. Oh, another 1,000, 300. Here's a 2,000 buy order. Ooh, look at all those sell orders that just popped up out of nowhere. Now look at the order book. If you see this 3,000 sell order right here, either they're gonna bid it and hit the bid, hit the offer. That's what they call it, hit the offer. Or they're gonna hit the bid, and that's when the people that are selling decide to just say, "Hey, I'm selling it to the person to the closest bid." They can't wait for a bid to hit them and hit the offer, so they're hitting the bids, and that's what's making the price go down or up. All right, now I want the offers to hit bids right now because I want to buy down here, like right there, $2.47. It's at 260 right now. That's not a bad price to buy at. I don't know how I've been missing these price moves. I've been here talking and not even paying attention. My bad. It's 282, and then over here is 2. Now where's my IOTA USD located? Now I got a question where I'm getting my data. This is Bitfinex. No wonder why. Oh, get off of here. What are you doing on here? Oh my God. IOTA. You know what? Oh no, there's no Binance for oh my God, there's no Binance for they don't want to mess with Binance. They don't have any Binance data on TradingView. Oh, I'm disappointed. This is Bitfinex data. Bitfinex is low. 163. I should change. Man, I don't want to trade on Bitfinex though. Now guess what chart I gotta use? I gotta use this chart. I wonder if Bitfinex is running, front running, or I should say leading. So the price will actually go to 60 soon on the price should go to 60 soon if they're leaders and Binance's followers. But there's more volume on Binance right now. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Unpause. 266. I put the IOTA on the 4-hour chart. This is Bitfinex. IOTA to the USD. And
trying to see if I can get it for a lower price, because this is typically where you want to sell, this area right here in between the VWAP. The closer it gets to this gold, the more I want to sell, and the closer it gets to this green, the more I want to buy. So I'm kind of looking at, and this is a 4-hour chart, so I'm looking at, like, I wonder if it'll ever go back down to this green area on the VWAP so I can buy something. I mean, the next time it goes there, that's when I want to buy. I don't want to buy right now. It's a bad time to buy IOTA. But I might want to, I'm trying to figure out where I want to put a buy order. If I just set up a buy order right now, I might just set one up for $2.10 or $1.83, and then I'll sell it. If the work gets executed, I'll sell at $3.20, or I can just go ahead and buy one right now and just sell at $3.20. Either way it goes, I'm selling at $3.20. So buy everything underneath $2.80. It's a lot of sell orders. If you can see these sell orders right here, 1, 2, when they get back-to-back sell orders like this, I tend to think the market's went down. But look at all these back-to-back buy orders. That means I don't know what to say. I don't know if we're heading down or up, but these sell orders are staying here. So these buy orders are, boom. It went down just a minute ago, but it's like not going down that much. These orders are not doing too much to the price, more to the price action. Look at all these buy orders popping up. Then they disappeared. 280. $280. I think I'm going to put an order in at 255. Just because of the price action. And I'm looking at, like, it always seems to, let's see, when they broke out right here, when they broke out right here, it came kind of, when it broke out, came back down about right there. Breaks out, comes back down. Breaks out, comes back down. 257. Sorry, 260. 282. $283. $279. $250. $255. It's selling off on Bitfinex. $258. 247, 240, 250. I saw it. I'm looking at it. It should do this over here too. 278. 255. 277. Right here. Come on, sell it off. Sell it off. Look at all these sell orders right here. Back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. It should sell off. It should do what Biff. It looks like Bitfinex is the leader exchange. That means what's going to happen is going to happen first on Bitfinex. Look at that. Look at the RSI. I want to wait till it comes at least back down here on this Binance exchange. Maybe down here. It just stayed right there. I don't think it'll ever go down unless there's a massive sell-off, and it doesn't look like they're gonna have a massive sell-off because this is a hot product right now to get. I'm just trying to get a better price for it and get it on record so people viewing and subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell could also see how to successfully place a trade and profit from it. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. When it's right, the bell icon will only appear after you subscribe, and then you'll get, when you hit the bell button, then you'll get notifications sent to your whatever you're on, your phone, your computer. Whenever you see that, then you'll know that I uploaded a video, and you can tune in and possibly gain some insight on how to trade cryptos. Yeah, trade cryptos or crypto trading. It's not a right or wrong way to do it. It's just a profitable way or unprofitable way to do it. Yeah, everybody's right, man. Trust me. That's why I'm getting it on record right now, so people can actually, because there's a lot of people out there that they tell you, oh, look how you look at the chart. Really, what I got is a VWAP. If you guys want to see a VWAP, go to TD Ameritrade, and I basically just copied what TD Ameritrade had, put it up right here, and it works pretty good as far as when you want to know when you're getting a good value or not. I mean, the volume weighted moving average, VWAP. I pretty much described what this is, where everybody's probably, unfair selling going on up here, and then this is unfair buying going on right here. And that's what I'm trying to get an unfair super low price, and that's right around this area down here or below here. Since this thing has a powerful, strong uptrend, I would be happy if I just got in at 250. But this thing over here is really on, it's like trading on Binance, and I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to put an order for 250 in on Binance and just see what happens. This thing could go down all the way past there, though. That's another problem that I'm having too. So I'll just wait till this RSI goes a little bit lower and see if it could possibly bounce off right here, though, like it's been doing, just it's in a powerful uptrend. That's how, if you take a look at Bitcoin's RSI, it does the same thing. It kind of hovers up here. Sometimes when they have a sell-off, though, it does creep back down to the 30 on the RSI indicator. Like, let's go check it out. Let me move that out the way, and I'm going to pull up the Bitcoin chart, which is right here, and this is a 30-minute. So let's take a look at a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Oops, this is Decred. We don't want to look at Decred. We want to look at a 4-hour chart on the Bitcoin. Now this is a sell-off right here, but look how that's the bottom right there. This thing is supposed to head down here. I get that back here. Way back here on what day was that? The 11th of November. I don't know what that meant. I don't know when did we start seeing a real uptrend? I mean, what was this? $6,000 on the 11th of November. That was $6,000 right there, okay? Now look at that. That's the bottom that means we can head back down to the bottom, 6,000. Right now, we're just up here, and we're up here. New highs, matching the other previous highs. And going back down here to match the other low right here. Here's a low right here. And you see this part right here, and you see this low right here. And over here, it's higher. Right? And then you got this high right here, and it's making a new low on the RSI. Even though there's a new high up here, that means we're in a downtrend. I'm afraid this thing is going low, according to the RSI. Mark the chart off, right? It's a divergence. There's a divergence going on, ladies and gentlemen. And I think this is going to be where we turn and go down till we hit about right here. Whenever we get back down here on the RSI, on the 4-hour chart, I want to be here watching. But right now, I think this is the good time to sell your Bitcoins. And wait till this comes back down here, at least right here, and buy back on the RSI, on the 4-hour RSI chart, okay? And till then, I'm going to be tuning back in, looking at my my IOTA 4-hour chart, trying to see if this thing gets past here. You see this line right here, right? Let me draw one just so everyone can see what I'm talking about before I end this recording. I'm gonna blow it up. Litecoin is 104. Yeah, and I'm still holding Litecoin. I have to hold Litecoin because I can't buy any of this IOTA right now. I'm gonna blow this RSI up so you can see what I'm talking about real quick. Oops. That's not how you do it. You gotta press the double arrow. Bloop. Now, look at that. That line right there. All right. That line right there. If it goes past that line, then this is not the bottom. It could go down to this line down here. And this is when I want to mark this line off too, while I'm at it. Mark this line off. And when it touches here, this is probably where I want to buy right here. As soon as this RSI gets here on IOTA, 4-hour chart, 4-hour time frame, I want to get in. But we got to look at this every 4 hours. I can set an alert up right here too, so I'll set one up if it crosses this. That's why you got to keep watching the charts, because I don't know if I set an alert up for this. I might have to drag this a little lower, like down there. Sometimes this will cross that and it'll go right back up. So I'm apprehensive on setting an alert right here, but I'm going to set one anyway. Crossing this line right here, that's what this alert is for, to cross this horizontal line, okay, which is on the RSI. There you go. All right. And I just want to be, when I hear that alert go off, I want to be ready to come in here and, well, see, what if it never does? What if it never crosses that? It's never going to go off. And that means I should be buying right now. And that's the trick of the trade, guys. Okay.
And this is, remember, this is a bind. This is a Bitfinex. This is Bitfinex's data right here. Look at Decred 58. Back up here, back to where I bought it at. Come on, pass this damn part. Come on. I don't know what is wrong with the Decred crossing where I bought in at. Right here, the 58.58 line. I just wanted to pass that. God, it's 58.05 right now. Okay. Bitcoin is at what is this? 4-hour chart on the Bitcoin. Yep. All right. I think that about does it. 281 on Binance. It could probably never come back down, but I'll just I'll put an order in at 250. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I want to get it at below 250 though, so I guess I'll just watch the chart. I won't even put an order in yet, because I might sell myself short. I don't know. It's so hard to think about where you would like to buy. The best price to buy is down here though, at 20. At 183. All right, I've made a decision. This is going to be a long-term hold. I'm going to put an order in at 253. Okay, $2.53. I'm going to put a buy order on Binance for 253. So let me pull my calculator up and figure out how much is 253 in Bitcoin. $2.53 in Bitcoin is 3 zeros, 21,84,000 Satoshi. 24, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the equivalent to $2.53. IOTA. Let's try that. I don't know. I guess I'll get 26 IOTA with that. And buy. Let's try 100%. Okay. At this price right here, 24.84, 21. Oh wow, see, almost messed up. 21.84. There we go. Now I get 30 IOTAs. Yeah. All right, 100% of my Bitcoin balance at this price. All right, now we're gonna buy, because I'm just, when this price hits 253, it'll buy these, and I'll get 30 IOTAs. Okay. All right. Buy order succeeded, and then what you're going to see is you're going to see this buy order in here down here. If I click on trade history, order history, open orders, here's my open order. This is an open order for this price, 21.84. Buy, has not filled yet, 0% filled, 0% filled. Sometimes this thing will fill at percentages, which I hate to see, but that's what happens sometimes. And I don't think there's any way to really see where I'm at on this. Oh, 24.84, 24.84, 2484, 24. Huh? 000. Zero 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 21, not 24. I'm way down here somewhere. I'm at 21. This is at 24 right now. 21s are like down here somewhere. So if it falls down 2184, let's go about right there. Then it'll execute. All right, done.